Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Riddy Tay. So from the title, you know that we're already doing another review. Got two reviews back to back. So bought a couple of things. I actually bought two things from Sephora and two things from Ulta. So this isn't going to be a super long review, but make sure to like, comment, and
subscribe, please.
If you haven't already, turn on that notification bell, and again, subscribe. If you haven't done that, then you're failing at life, okay? But let's jump into this video. So for some odd reason, I usually like starting off with Ulta. So the two things that I got was the Juvia's Place concealers, and I'm actually wearing them right now. It takes forever for me to blend because I'm impatient. When I go to the store, when I go to the makeup store, I already know what I want. Sometimes I know what I want, but then I get 10 times more, so that's a problem. But still, so I got the highlight and then I got the contour, and they were both way out of my league, so I have to blend even more to make sure that it doesn't stand out too much. And I'm going to swatch them for y'all so y'all can see. So these are the two colors. They work, but I'm used to natural, so for it to stand out like that, it's just way too much for me, especially for my contour, y'all. I was like, okay, girl's gonna be snatched, but I was too snatched, okay? So I have to make sure I blend a lot more because I'm not trying to go outside looking like a clown. Now this is the highlight color, and that's really freaking bright. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna go buy two more concealers. So another contour and then another highlight, and then if I just need to, you know, oomph it a little bit more, then I can add that to it. But so far I love it. I'm just upset that I had to take the extra time to blend a little bit more. So the best part about these concealers is that it's good with all skin types. It's very lightweight, it feels really good, it doesn't feel too cakey, which is good. Now if you keep adding and adding and adding, that's when you're going to feel that cakiness. They also have 24 ranges of colors in these concealers, so really good, especially for my black girls. If y'all need something, especially for contouring, this is your go-to. Like, I picked the darkest shade, okay? Don't know why I did that for myself, but you know, if I have clients, then I can at least have that for them. Okay, so now we're gonna go over the two products that I bought from Sephora. We got our Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and then I bought my girl Rihanna's Fenty Beauty lip gloss because, you know, every time I go to Sephora, I feel like I have to buy something from Rihanna. Like, I gotta support her. I love her so much. So the reason why I bought another dip brow, usually I use my Kat Von D, but that's a little bit more on the bold side. And I'm actually wearing the pomade right now. Oh my God, these beads keep getting in my face. So this is the color Chocolate. Usually I would go with dark brown, but I'm just really tired of bold brows like that. I like for them to be natural. If I went any lighter, it would be more like an auburn, and I'm not trying to have red brows. So this is what it looks like, and I have been using it, but so far so good. This is like my first pomade that I ever used in life because people were going crazy over it when it really started popping and getting popular. So I would highly recommend getting it. I have no bad reviews on it. The only thing I will say, be careful leaving it open. You do want to make sure you close it because if you don't, it's going to dry the heck out. And you don't want to waste your money just to leave it open for it to dry out. Like, who wants that? If you want the applicator for that, they sell that as well, but you can apply it with any other brow applicator like how I have, but it's about time I get a new one because they're getting really flimsy on me, you know, something like that. Okay, so this is the Fenty lip gloss. It's actually one of her new lip gloss, and it's Glass Slipper, because I don't have a clear gloss at all, and it was time that I got a clear one. I mean, I can swatch it for you guys if you'd like. I've been using all of my products that I bought for the past week or maybe two. I forgot how long it's been since I bought it, but as you can see, clear, of course. Only thing I will say I don't care for is that it's really stringy. I don't like that because then it's gonna make a mess. But I mean, you know, I can live through that because this is Fenty and I love it. Very glossy. Let me show y'all. Let me show. The perfect gloss you can ever get in your life. It stays on for a really good amount of time. Very hydrating as well. Everything I buy is pretty much hydrating now. I don't do anything that's matte because I ain't got time for that. I got a brush holder from Five Below. It says, when in doubt, wing it out. And I did it for all my eyeshadow brushes because I have a ton of them and I still want more. That's a problem. But other than that, that's everything that I bought. I told y'all it wasn't gonna be a long video, but please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to turn on that notification bell and just leave some love, show some support. Honestly, I think that's all I got for you guys. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.